In last lecture, we have loaded the course list and added a new course to the collection. Let's continue with the same files from last lecture, and in this lecture, we are going to focus on editing and deleting the courses. So to edit the course record, you can see I have already added an edit button against each record in the course list. When I click on this button, I'm going to call a function, say edit course, and pass course as argument. Then let's implement this function on our $scope object. Inside this function, first we will toggle the edit form view so that edit form will be visible. Then I'm going to create course to edit object on my scope object and assign copy of course object using angular.copy function so that they should not conflict with each other. This is required as this is passed by reference and we need to break the reference to original passed object. So you can see I have already bound course to edit object to my form fields in edit course partial. That will automatically populate the data I want to edit on this form. So let's run the application and see if this works. Load the courses first, click on edit button to edit the course record, and there we go. We got a course edit form along with data to be edited, thanks to two-way data binding of AngularJS. Now to update the course, I'm going to add ng-click on update button, then a function with course to edit argument. Let's implement this function on our controller. First, I'm going to create a variable called ID, which will contain the ID of the course to be updated. Now to update the course data, we will use $http.put method. The first argument is URL, and I'm going to add a /, then ID to it so that it will update only record having this ID. Second is data to be updated, and third is our config object. Let's add the success function with a callback and reload the course list. Let's refresh the application, load courses, edit course record, update some fields, click on update, and there we go. Our course has been updated and displayed in table. Now let's conclude with deletion of a course. So I'm going to add ng-click on delete button, delete course function by passing course as argument, implement the function in controller. First we need an ID, so I'm going to get the ID generated by MongoLab API. Now to delete the data, we use $http.delete function, but we need to pass the ID of the record to be deleted in the URL. So I'm going to add the ID to the URL along with the /, and second argument is our config object. Let's add the success function with a callback and reload the course list. Let's refresh the application, load the courses, click on delete button to delete the course. Awesome, the record has been deleted. So you can see by just passing the ID, we can update as well as delete the record. My MongoLab API is handling all of this behind the scenes.